Good morning to all of you children. Today we will learn about earthquake in this chapter in part 3. First we will learn what is an earthquake. So let us see the definition of earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden shaking of earth which lasts for a short time. Or an earthquake is a sudden trembling of earth which lasts for a short time. This earthquake can cause damage to building, dams, roads. It also causes landslide. Floods, and tsunami. Now we will learn what causes an earthquake. In olden time, people said that the earthquake is occur, the earth is balanced on a horn of bull, and when this bull shift the earth on another horn, the earthquake occur. But it is wrong. Nowadays we know the scientific concept of earthquake. So we know that our earth, that is made up of basically 3 layers. These layers, first layer, that is crust, second layer, that is mantle, and third is core. This crust is also not a single piece of, it is having 7 layers, or it is a many fragment. When these fragments or when these layers slide and they rub, they slide on one and another, and this slide causes the deep disturbance inside the earth, or they causes tremors, and these tremors coming on the surface of earth as an earthquake. Thus the earthquake occurs. So we can say that the major earthquake occurs due to this deep disturbance in the plate of earth. You will discuss some more detail in the higher classes. Now question is how we can find out the magnitude of an earthquake. So the magnitude of an earthquake can find out the magnitude of an earthquake can be measured on a scale called Richter scale, and a device or instrument which is used to measure and record seismic waves is called seismograph. So we can say that seismograph is used to find out the magnitude of earthquake which occur in a particular place. A seismograph has simple a vibrating rod or a pendulum. This pendulum fixed on a surface, and this pendulum attached a pen, and during the vibration, during the earthquake, this pendulum vibrate, and this pen record the seismic waves on a paper. The scientist compare and contrast the complete map of this seismic waves, and they find out the magnitude of an earthquake. In such a way, we can find out the magnitude of an earthquake. The earthquake take place in Bhuj in 26 January 2001. The magnitude is 7.5. The earthquake that had take place in Jammu and Kashmir in 2005, the magnitude also 7.5. Thus, we can find out the magnitude of earthquake. Actually, the prediction of the earthquake is not possible nowadays, but scientists continuously discussing and the research is going on in this field, so we can predict the earthquake more days before, so you can shift the people's in a safe place. Now the last topic is protection against earthquake. What precautions we have to taken or protection against an earthquake, especially in the seismic zones, in the weak zones or fault zones are the places where earthquake more likely to occur. These zones are called seismic zones, and in India these zones are Jammu Kashmir, Central and Western Himalaya, Northeast, Kachran, Rajasthan. These are the places. In such places, we have to avoid the heavy construction. The houses are constructed with timber and mud. Or during the constructions, you can take the uh, intelligence or maybe more expert architecture or the engineer, which may be designed such a way that the minimum destruction takes place due to the earthquake. The Roorkee also has developed some technologies regarding the minimum cause of destruction take place. So the very important things is here to make the construction work should be in such a way that minimum destruction take place during an earthquake. Apart from these, some other steps we have to taken whenever we are outside or inside home. Let take me one. You can take shelter and a table. Find a safe place so that heavy object do not fall on him or on self. Third is on bed. Protect your head will flow. Outside at your home, or outside the door, if you are in car or bus or any other personal vehicle, you stay in your car with shutting of the door as well as windows. Or if you are open place, you can find a spot or place away from the buildings. Apart from this, you open side told your driver, if you are in car also, for the slow driving and find a safe place away from the buildings. These are some safety measures we have to taken to protect ourselves from an earthquake. Thank you for watching this video.